Hello, in this video, I'm going to review this amazing banking software called Secure Paymentz. Secure Paymentz is a great system for businesses that want to have a bank-like system, or for those that deal with mobile banking and affiliates. The homepage for this banking software is very organized and straightforward. You have the option to view your yearly deposits and yearly withdrawals on your dashboard. Under User Management, you have the option to add a new user, verify new user, and you have unverified users. Here you could input your information like your name, email address, password, date of birth, etc. Under Accounts, you have your list of accounts. For example, here, John Doe has a savings account. Under account types, you have savings accounts, checking accounts, etc. And you could all view this under the account types tab. Under deposit, you can make a deposit. Just select the user and select accounts and click make deposit. And under here, you would have your deposit history. Under withdrawals, same thing, just click select user, select account and the amount. You can make a note and click make withdraw. Under the gift card section, you could create a new gift card, check to see which ones are active and which ones are used. I definitely recommend you use Secure Paymentz for all your business transactions. Give it a shot today.